How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your per app settings on your iPhone, which is going to allow you to change specific settings of a specific application in the way so that you can change mainly things such as text size and bold size. Okay, so let me go to the settings app so I can show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so let's go to settings. Mine is right here, but you can also swipe down from the middle of your screen like so and type in the word. Okay, click there. Now we're going to scroll down. Scroll down right here where it says accessibility. Click there. All right, now scroll down. And it's going to be our last option, per app settings. Okay, hit that. All right, now, so right now I don't have any app added to the list here. So I'm going to start with the Notes app. I think it's a good application to run some tests on. So we're going to click the Add app right here. All right, and right here on the search, click on that. I'm just going to type in Notes, and there it is. Click on that. Okay, so we added the Notes application. Now we click on that. Okay, so these are the settings that you can toy around with specifically for the Notes application. Okay, so you have bold text. It's on default. What happens if we click here? You can add it on or off. I'm going to head back, but the one that mainly works for me is the larger text option. I'll click that. Okay, so this is the default size. Okay, I'm gonna head on over to my main screen. I'm going to click here on my Notes app. Okay, so this is just a little text example I have already prepared here. So this is the default size of the text. If I write something here, that's the size of the text. All right. So what we can do is we can actually change the size of this text without actually increasing the size of this note. So let's head on over back to where we were on the settings, on the per app settings. Now, I'm going to increase the size, okay, for this example. Where this is the actual size, the default size, where let's increase it all the way up. All right, so I'm going to change back to the notes, and look what happened. Now the notes are huge, okay? However, I'm gonna go back to my main screen. If I don't know, I'm gonna open this application right here. As you can see, it's just a regular size text. All right, again, let's head back to the notes. So okay, this is what we did, right? I'm gonna head on back to the settings just so I can show you again. I'm going to hit the default size. Okay, that's the default size. Head on over back to notes, and look, it's the same size as we saw at first, and we can even make it smaller. So again, let's just head on back here and scroll down. Okay, now let's just read what it says here. It says apps that support dynamic type will adjust your preferred reading size below. Okay, so remember that there may be apps that don't have this dynamic type. Okay, Notes obviously does. Okay, so let's head on over back, and look, we made the text smaller. All right, okay, head on back. I'm gonna hit the default. I'm gonna hit Notes right here. And you have other options right here. We have the button shapes, we have the on-off labels, reduce transparency, which says improve contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. Okay, we can also increase a contrast, which is increase color contrast between app foreground and background colors. Differentiate without color. It says replace user interface items that rely solely on color to convey information with alternatives. Okay, we got the smart invert. It says smart invert reverses the colors of the display except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color styles. You have motion, which reduce motion. So you can reduce the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effects on icons. And we also have the press cross fade transitions, which is going to reduce the motion for user interface controls that slide in when appearing and disappearing. And finally, your autoplay video previews. All right, so you can toy around with all these options. And again, just make sure that the application you're selecting has the ability to be changed by this. Okay, so I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.